Welcome back to Techie Train Academy. Please like, share, and follow Techie Train on all social media platforms. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get right into it. We are still on data cleaning in Excel, and we are using these data sets to answer a bunch of questions in this series. So we'll just proceed as we have done before. Now, the question for this video is: we don't have a total column. Create one unit times price. In this video, we'll be creating a total column. That will be what we'll be creating in this video. We'll be creating a total column, and it says here we don't have a total column. Create one, and to create a total column, we are using units times price equals to total. So the units times price will be equals to the total value. And how do we calculate it? So unit times price, but now there is no column here in between. Next is the region. How do we do this? We come over here and we insert a table. You go to your home tab on your ribbon. It's important. Each ribbon side has its own unique uses. Here for page layout, here for insert, for shapes and graphs, view. But that's by the way. Here we come to our home button. Then we insert. You could click, if you click on insert as directly as that, we'll get one single cell. But we don't need a single cell. We need a full column before or after this price. So we come to insert sheet columns. We can insert new sheet, but it will take us to a new sheet literally. So first we get insert sheet columns. Insert sheet rows is to insert another row. So when you click insert sheet rows is to insert a new row, but that's not what we need. We need a column. So come over here, insert sheet columns, and here we have it. We have a cell, a column, a whole column before the region. Let's call this column total. Okay, here total. Now total is equals to unit times price. So unit, which is E2, times price, which is F2. As you can see, no colors, and they are not running because we forgot the most important part of every function, which is the equals to. Without that, no function in Excel will run. So equals to tells Excel that yep, I'm using a function. I'm not just typing text. I'm calling a function. So E2 F2 highlighted equals to 2400, because 1200 times 2 is equals to 2400. We do the same thing here, equals to E3 times F3. We have it here again, 127.5, because 25.5 times 5 is 127.5. And then we come over here, equals to E4 times F4, which is 350, because 250 times 1 is 350. As you can see, we've wasted a lot of time doing this when we could have just followed. Let's follow it step by step. Let's follow the steps by steps on the slide and see where it gets us. So step number 1 is insert a new column after price. We've done that. Next, type E2 times F2. E2 times F2. That is 2400. The next thing to do will be, after we press enter, double click to fill handle. Double click fill handle. So we just double click our fill handle, and you can see here we have a whole column made for us. Rather than typing it one by one, here we have our 127.5, here we have our 350 times 1, 12 times 1. You can see we have it all correctly here. Then formatting as a currency, because what we need here is total column, that is the unit times price, that is the total column is what we need here. We come over here, right click, then we can format cell, because we need total column is literally currency, because the price of this is in a currency. Let's call it naira here, okay, or call it dollars here. We call it dollars here. So when we are formatting our cell, we go to currency, because it say here format as currency. So we'll come over here, select currency. Our symbol is dollar, and the decimal place states how many decimal places after, and this is like $1,234.10. That two decimal places is that 10 cent that is here. If you switch it to one decimal place, it will not even show anything. It will just show 0.0. But if you shift it to like 3 decimal places, you see 210. If you shift it to 4, you see 3210. But that is not what we need. What we need is we'll just leave it at 2 decimal places for the cent. Yeah, we'll just leave it at 2 decimal places. Currency formats are used for general monetary values. Use accounting values to align decimal points in the column. This accounting is used to line up currency symbols and decimal points in a column, but what we need is to format it as a currency. I'll explain this format cells in another video, so let's just format. And you see here we have in dollars. Here we have our $2,400, $127 for the mouse, $350 for monitor, and so on and so forth. And now we have our total column. Now this total column will not be complete without a total over here. And how do we find the total? We come over here, we just click on it, and it sums everything within the column and give it to us, 14,962. 14,962 is here. But this is a simple way. We have other ways to do it. We can come over here and click equals to sum. That is, add all the number within a range of cells with sum G2 to G26. That's another way of doing it. Or we can come and put G plus A plus G2 plus G3 plus G4 plus G5 down to G26, which we don't quite frankly have time for. Or there are other ways, I think. You can use G2 26. Okay, we need to call a function. We need to call a function. Or we can just use plus here. But then we'll have to add it one by one, which is quite frankly too taxing to do. So we'll just stick with this sum function for now. We'll stick with the sum function. You click over here. Here you can see sum, average, count, numbers, max, minimum, and more functions. Here is for sum function. The sum function is automatically added up. Your total number will appear in the selected cell. So we just click over here, which is sum, and it will sum everything within the highlighted column and give it back to us. So with that, we have answered this question. We don't have a total column. Create one. We've created it. And how do we calculate it? We have calculated it as seen. We use the sum function here, and we've calculated it all here. So with that, we've answered the question for this video. I'll see you in the next video. NS out.